In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove grid padding on Squarespace using Fluid Engine, all in under 5 minutes. If you've ever wanted to tighten up the spacing on your site for a cleaner, more professional look, this tutorial is for you. First, log in to your Squarespace account. Head to the Squarespace homepage, click Login, and if your account is linked to Google, you can simply choose Continue with Google for a faster login. Once you're inside your dashboard, select the website you want to edit. Then click Edit Website to open up the builder. Now navigate to the section where you want to adjust spacing. Hover over it and click Edit Section. This will bring up the section settings in Fluid Engine. Here's the key step. Look for the grid settings or column/row gap option. Adjusting this setting controls the padding or space between your elements. Reducing the gap will give your site a tighter, more streamlined layout, perfect for minimal designs or gallery-style pages. As you make changes, always preview your site to see how the adjustments affect both design and user experience. Proper spacing not only makes your site look better, but also improves navigation and readability. Once you're happy with the results, don't forget to save your changes so they apply to your live site. And that's it. You've just removed grid padding in Squarespace using Fluid Engine, giving your site a sleek, modern touch in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick Squarespace tips. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.